Welcome to a video on how students can turn in an assignment in Schoology by submitting a link or a website. Here we have a Schoology course and we have an assignment called Health Project. What students did was create videos in Adobe Express. Now what Adobe Express does is create a link for every product that you generate in Adobe Express. So here's a video that students created. Students would click share when they're done with the video, publish, and then copy the link that Adobe Express creates for that product. They would go back into Schoology, they would click on the project, and then they would click Submit Assignment. Now, typically students would upload a file to turn in an assignment in Schoology. We're not going to do that. We're going to click Create, and then a text field opens up, and students would just paste the link that they copied from Adobe Express into that text field and click Submit. Now a student has just turned in that assignment for that health project. For the teacher to view the assignment, let's look at it from the teacher side. So what a teacher would do is go into the course, they would go into that assignment, the health project, and they could see a student has turned it in. So they click on that student's name, and then here is the link right here. The teacher just simply has to click on that link to view the health project video that the student created in Adobe Express. They could grade the video. That's how students can turn in an assignment in Adobe Express by simply copying the link that Adobe Express creates and then pasting that link into Schoology to submit the assignment in the Create button when you submit an assignment in Schoology. I hope that video helped. If you have any questions on how to use Schoology or Adobe Express, please contact your school's Office of Digital Learning Specialist.